Now we're getting ready to decorate the wreath for a girl's baby shower. So it will be girly, but if you desire to make this out of a boy's shower, you can still use the lace, but not as lacy with the pearls, but you can lace it. Just pick whatever type of lace that you want. Something that can be a boy color, you know, like you want to do also the cream, then you can do that as well. The girl's baby shower, since it's a girl, it has a lot of the beading in it that you notice. So I will be beading this throughout, and I'm going to put flowers on here. This could also, I'm only doing it for a baby shower, but if you would like, and it's a centerpiece, by the way, it is a centerpiece. If you're having a bridal shower or something, if you wanted to do like a beautiful table setting, this would also even be beautiful too as a table setting for a bridal shower. So I'm going to make the bow and show you how you would do the bow. So what you're going to need is your wire and your ribbon. I chose this ribbon because it's kind of vintage, like, you know, kind of chic, and I thought it was really pretty to go with the chic baby shower. What you want to do is that you want to start it from the middle, because you don't want anything that's going to be sticking way up. So you want to start it from here. Start it like from here. So what I'm going to do for this one, because this is not going to be permanent. Just simple, one that's really simple. You can go way out with these things. They are so pretty. You can go way out with them, but I don't want to do it, make it too out of the way, because this is a baby shower. So what I want to do is to put it here in the middle, and then we're going to put it here. So you want to lay your flowers before you do any of your gluing.